14 ideas to make an extra $1,000 a month with your laptop anywhere in the world. Hey guys, I've literally done this. I've sat down at my laptop and picked up some extra cash. Now there's a lot of ways to do it, and all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. In this video I'm going to walk you through 14 different things you can do to make an extra $1,000 a month or a whole lot more anywhere in the world. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Now in this video I want to walk you through all these things because they're massively important and they can make you a lot of money. So let's get right to it. Okay, so what's a side hustle? It's something you do on the side. You grab your laptop, you go pick up some cash. You can do it when you want, where you want, for as long as you want, or just take a break if you want. Let's go through them. First on my list is print on demand. Print on demand is amazing because all you have to do is come up with some designs, which plenty of people could help you with that if you didn't have any idea what to do, but it's pretty simple to do. Go to a print on demand site, come up with some designs and actually just sell them online. You don't have to pay for the product until somebody buys it, and then when they do buy it, you collect the money, you send the portion to the company that's going to print it out for you, they ship it out to your customer, and you don't even have to be there. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. Number 2 on my list is start a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is great. You take somebody else's product, you market it online, you collect the money, you send them your portion, and you keep the profit. They will then package up that item, ship it out to the customer, and you've never touched it. I know, I do this already. I own a survival food company, and I've been doing drop shipping for customers all around the United States for over 12 years. This stuff works. You can start an e-zine and sell subscriptions. That's right, you can start a magazine online nowadays. It doesn't cost you anything for printing or shipping or labels or any of that. You just publish your content online, charge a monthly fee for people to access it, and boom, you're making money every single month, month in and month out. Number 5 is sell an online course. I've sold all kinds of online courses. I sell them to this day, and the great thing is once I create a course I can sell it over and over and over again, and it doesn't cost me any more money. I've done all this from my laptop, usually sitting in a coffee shop. Number 6 is start a blog. Start a blog around any niche you want, then monetize it by putting affiliate links in there, monetize it by selling PDF downloads, monetize it by running ads in there, and all you have to do is put up the content and drive the traffic. Number 7, start a YouTube channel. Yeah, just like this one. I make money off this channel every single month from affiliate links, from ads running on here, from people buying my products. All you got to do is take out your smartphone or get a camera, record some videos, and start building your audience. Number 8 is become an influencer. Influencer is what? Anybody who has a following. Once you have a following, companies will contact you, or you can contact them to talk about their products and get a commission or even get paid to do those videos. Number 9, I know you can do this. I know you can do this. Become a dog walker. People are looking for dog walkers now. They want people to take their dog out for a walk. You get exercise, you can charge an hourly rate, and it's a simple thing to do. Number 10, become a freelance writer. I use freelance writers every single day. You can go to something like textbroker.com, set up an account, and start writing and making money today. Number 11, manage social media accounts. Hey, a lot of businesses have a social media account. They have stuff on Facebook and Twitter and all that, but they don't have time to manage it. You can go and approach these companies and charge them $200, $300, $400, $500 a month just to manage that account and correspond with customers. And once you've got a few of those, you could just add more and more and more and certainly make more than $1,000 a month. Number 12, be a guide for your neighborhood or town. Most of us live in a town that already has tours there. Why not just do the tours yourself? Check with your local authorities, get a license, get a little bit of information about your area, and start doing tours. Number 13, become an affiliate marketer. Becoming an affiliate marketer is not a hard thing to do. As a matter of fact, somebody else has already done all the work for you. They've come up with a course or a class or a product. They've probably come up with sales pages and emails. All you have to do is drive traffic to your sales page, sell that product, and you get a commission. If you go to something like ClickBank or ShareASale, some of the commissions are anywhere from 50 to 90% of the selling price of the product. And our last one, number 14, is sell digital products. Now, well, first off, what is a digital product? A digital product is anything that is digitized, I guess. Yeah, that's right. So it could be an ebook, right? It could be an audio file. Matter of fact, I have a book that I wrote that we sell in the physical form. We also have an audiobook version of that, and we also have a digital download of that book. So there's 3 formats I'm getting out of that. But anything that you can sell digitally is a digital product. That means you can store it online for probably free in some accounts until your accounts get too full. Then you're gonna have to pay some storage, but for the most part you can store them free online. You can charge people a fee, and you can use automation software to actually get that product to them. I like to use Kartra. When somebody buys a product through Kartra, they will click on it, they'll pay for it, and as soon as they pay for it, it automatically sends them a link to that product and they can download it. If you don't have Kartra, oh my gosh, oh no, I recommend you get it. And I'm going to tell you where you can get it. If you go down in the description, you're going to find a link for Kartra. When you click the link, and you don't have to put in a credit card or your email or anything like that, but when you click the link, you're going to see this amazing video, and this video is going to walk you through what Kartra does. And if you like it, which I know you will, you're going to get it for only a $1 trial. $1, but you got to use my link below to check out Kartra, and you can use that for your digital products. Now, I've gone through a extensive list. There's 14 things you can do with your laptop, but here's the beauty of it. I've been doing this for years. I generally will wake up in the morning, I'll go get breakfast, I'll head out to some coffee shop, Starbucks or whatever. I'll set up shop at that coffee shop. I'll use the free internet there, and maybe I'll buy a cup of tea. I never buy the expensive drinks, and I'll start working. I've been doing that for over 12 years. I'm going into my 13th year of working at a coffee shop and making a living with my laptop. As a matter of fact, before the pandemic hit the world, I was in 6 countries in 12 months, and every single country I made money in. That's a pretty cool thing. You can do this too. You just got to get started. Now, you may be sitting back saying, well, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how to do that. Here's the truth. You can do anything that anybody else can do, and you can also learn anything that you don't know. Let me repeat that. You can do anything that anybody else can do, and you can learn anything that you don't know. Matter of fact, you can learn most of it for free. You could go to my channel and look up almost any of the things that I listed in here on my channel, and you're going to find a video, and it's going to teach you how to do those things. So if you're thinking, well, JR listed all these things, but I don't know how to do them, go into my channel, find a video on that subject. It'll be there. I have over 1,200 videos. Okay, it'll be there, and watch that video to the end. And I would recommend you watching a bunch of videos on this site. This site is all about starting, running, and growing online businesses. I've made millions and millions of dollars online already, and you can too. You could do some of the same things. I'm no different than you. I didn't start my business until I was 50 years old. Okay, I started when I was 50, and I didn't know how to send emails hardly. I barely knew how to send an email, and I certainly couldn't type, and the truth be told, I still can't type, but that's beside the point. You can be like me. You can start at whatever age you're at. You don't have to be a great typist, and you can learn any of this. Now, I did go through this kind of fast, and I get it, but I wanted to give you a lot of information. I wanted you to have a lot of information. You're still going to have questions about how to do some of these things, and I want to help you. I want to see you succeed. So the best thing that you can do is go down in the comments and write detailed questions about what you want to do. Don't put in the comments, how do I get started? How am I going to help you with that? Or how do I make money online? How am I going to help you with that? Put a specific question in the comment section. Maybe it's about how do I build an email list for a survival site. Okay, maybe it's how do I SEO my page so I get more traffic for my t-shirts. Okay, those are specific questions. I can help you with that. Please put that in the comment section below. Or if you just want to say hello to me, that's fine too. Say hi down there. Tell me where you're from, what you're doing, and if you've had some successes, please share them in the comment section. That really motivates other people, and it helps other people. Remember, every question that you ask in that comment section is probably a question somebody else has, and when you ask it, guess what? You help yourself out, and you help other people too. Now, don't you want to do that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. Turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live. I thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.